I wish something interesting would happen today.
Did your wish come true?
Why, yes it did.
Har 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 har. I am finally away from those fools. But now that I'm flying through the air at probably like 5,000 miles per hour, where the heck should I even land? I have an idea, but I'll get terminated, so I'll save that for something else. Anyway, I see Rare Yellow Bee's house. I'm just going to smash into that.
What on earth? Get out of here now, ginger brat. I'll have you know you're paying for that window and whatever you managed to destroy.
Sorry Bee, but I just can't find the one single time that I spoke to you and asked you about what you thought about my entrance. So shut up.
What the heck do you want?
Well, I want to get away from my crazy family. So I decided to catapult out the roof at 5,000 miles per hour, or approximately 8,046.72 kilometers per hour.
Well, besides you breaking my stuff, you haven't really done anything wrong, so I guess we could just screw around.
But there's nothing to do here.
Sure there is. Let's count how many friends we have. Begin. Oh wait, I have no friends. I forgot.
Damn, that's tough.
Let's speak French.
But dude, that's what Google Translate is for.
Non, je ne pas utilise Google Traduction. J'adore français.
You know what, I've had just about enough of you. I am not going to sit here and do stupid activities with you. Let's do something actually fun. Come outside with me.
Okay? Alright, what now? Oh 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 oh. Rosie. What have you done? I'm angry. You turned my house into a literal beehive. And that's not good. GRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRRR
inside that beehive never to return. After all, it's what that one kid at school wants that probably is still stalking your crappy YouTube channel, in which case, hello. Also go commit big dilo LXD.
That's it, I am calling your parents.
No 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 no.
Hey guys, rareyellowwuutbee here.
No, I'm the rail.
Know me.
God dang it.
Rosie, we can't believe that you would change Rare Yellow Bee's house to an actual beehive.
That's it. You are grounded for
4328943269824379924268349284236874932897438 millenniums, I mean microseconds.
Go to your room now.